Good evening, one and all. Last class we discussed about mole and molar mass in the mole concept. Mole concept is nothing but the unit to measure the quantity of any substance in chemistry. Mole concept is unit to measure the quantity of any substance in chemistry. Is we discussed about length, width, length, pressure, volume, area, etc. This all comes under mole concept. Last class we discussed about the molar mass and molar. In that we discussed about the how we will calculate about the moles. N is equal to given particle by Avogadro number. Yes, moles in quantity. We can now today we are going to discuss about moles in quantity. Moles in quantity means we will calculate the moles by the quantity of any substance. Moles in quantity of any substance divided by Avogadro number. We know that Avogadro number it is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. From this we can calculate the moles. Either we can calculate the quantity we can calculate by n into Avogadro number. Yes, from here we can discuss about the one question here. It is in 12.044 into 10 to the power of 20 atoms of calcium, calculate the mole. They given the atoms of calcium and calculate the moles of calcium. Yes, we can use this equation. Mole is equal to quantity divided by Na. From that we can calculate that 12.0024 into 10 to the power of 20 divided by Avogadro number. We know the Avogadro number. Here we can calculate this one divided by 2. We will get the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. How? From here 20 we can cancel and minus 3. Minus 3 we can write it in the millimoles. Clear? Minus 3 we can represent as a milli and n is equal to 2 millimoles. And one more question is here, 0.5 moles of calcium, that is Ca2 plus ion, is given as a sample. Find out the quantity of calcium 2 plus. Here we are finding the calcium 2 plus. How we get the calcium 2 plus is Ca which loses the 2 electrons and gives Ca2 plus 2 electron. Clear? Calcium which loses the 2 electrons and give a Ca2 plus. In the question it is given that 0.5 moles. They given the moles, so we should find out the quantity of Ca2 plus. So we can calculate by Q is equal to N into Avogadro number. By this formula we will get the quantity. From this we will get the quantity of the Ca2 plus, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 calcium 2 plus ion. This is about the mole in quantity. Next we are going to discuss about mole in weight. Mole in weight means how we will calculate the mole in weight is mole is equal to atomic mass by molar mass. Atomic mass we can write it as a n mole is equal to W by molar mass, that is gram by gram per mole. We can calculate here. Just how to calculate is 1 mole of NaCl. If it is a 1 mole of NaCl, we know that atomic number of Na is 23 and Cl is 35.5. We will get the 1 mole of NaCl is 58.5 grams. Clear? 1 mole of NaCl is 58.5 grams. Now the question is 0.49 gram of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid. Now find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid are there. Here we know that the calculation part, that is N is equal to W by molar mass, that is 0.49 they given and 98 molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98. And next is we can shift the point by using the 10 to the power of 2 from here. Then we will get the 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 by 10. This is how we can do, and we will get the 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 or 5 millimoles. 0.59 grams of sulfuric acid have the 5 moles. 5 moles of sulfuric acid. Is it clear? This is how we can calculate in weight. Quantity, how we are calculating? By using quantity by Avogadro number. In weight, how we are calculating? Calculating by atomic mass divided by molar mass. Here one more question is there, that is 22 gram of carbon dioxide is given as a sample. Calculate the mole of CO2 and molecule of CO2. Two questions are there, that is moles of CO2. How we are calculate the moles, and second is molecules of CO2. Yes, here we are calculating the moles of CO2 is equal to, that is given, they gave the weight, that is 22 gram divided by molar mass, that is 44 gram. CO2's molar mass is 44 grams. We will get the 0.5 moles. We will get the moles. How can we calculate the molecules? Molecule is equal to moles into Avogadro number. Molecules is equal to moles into Avogadro number. From here we got the moles, that is 0.5 moles into Avogadro number, or else we can write it as a 0.5 into Na. That means 0.5 moles of Avogadro number into Avogadro number, which gives the molecules of CO2. This is about the how to calculate the moles in weight. Let us discuss about the moles in volume. The moles in volume, usually we will calculate the volume for the moles for the volume for the only for the gaseous or vapor state, gaseous and vapor state elements. Okay, here we are doing the moles is equal to volume of gas by volume of volume at STP. STP refers that standard temperature pressure. Standard temperature pressure. Volume of gas divided by 22,400. 22,400 is the standard unit of the volume. ml by mole, that is ml per mole. Then if we convert into it is in the ml, milliliter. If you convert it in a liter, then it is N is equal to volume liter divided by 22.4 liter per mole. This is the equation for moles in volume. N is equal to VL by 22.4 liter per mole. Here one question is there for you. If 11.2 ml methane gas is given as a sample for any gas, find out the mole of methane gas at STP. If it represents the standard temperature pressure, at standard temperature pressure you should find the moles. So we can calculate by using the formula N is equal to VL divided by 22.4 liter per mole. That is, we know they given that volume, that is 11.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Why we add the 10 to the power of minus 3 here is, here they mentioned in a milliliter, we are converting into a liter. So we are multiplying it by 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 22.4 liter per mole. We will get the half millimoles. 10 to the power of minus 3 if it is there means which represent the milli. Half millimoles, then we can write it as a 0.5 millimoles. Thank you.